Wallahi, man, for you only girlfriend, you. Because if you go to ya, you only girlfriend. Over streets. Well, anybody will start for Akure Obo Street. Anybody will take get belle for Obo Street now 30 years.
Friendly advice. On our way buy that ticket, wey dey there. I hope say una know say una no get drink today, sha. Cause na this drink, una just bring una cup. Only communion. I'm tired for this Akure o. Na only this Akure Amotekun plenty pass criminal. I dey tell you. This Akure, they know they, you don't see Akure man carry a show before. He dey funny there. Especially for that grand capital front. You see, ala bossy way. Girl, come. Eh, happen. My agbe oluso agba. The girl go say, 30,000. Well, go good is even. Well, so 30,000 for where go back to my for where back 10,000. The girl go say, 10,000. Walk back. Read me more jail. When more the 10,000 mamuko. Yeah, I'm brother. Yeah. Give me rakara konko. Libe the car. Akure people, they different. You know, say that this Akure, you go there, you go feel like say Akure people can be very proud. When they go, they say, where are you from? Akure. That Akure. And they feel argue. Akure people they argue. One day when they idiot me, me go they argue with the bad of people. Akure big. They come to say, what do we get for Akure? I say ShopRite. ShopRite. After ShopRite. After ShopRite, you go cinema. Where you dey? ShopRite. Akure. We get and Akure babes, they very, very easy to get. If you get sense. Na sense. Akure babes, they're not easy like that. If you get sense and you get car, don't finish. Now why should we get many babes? Na joke, I don't know wahala. But maybe we don't lie for ourselves. To be very honest, I don't like people that buy pets. Honestly, I don't like people who buy pets. But before I go down one, they say this one love, cruise, and wahala. But wait, let's say this comedy thing, not they pay the color. So as they laugh, you will get diastiba. What do they call that thing? A G. Some people don't they build a G for themselves. Maybe they will build you. But wait, first they make people laugh. Which kind of career I choose for my life? Hey, person ask me say, what will be my worst breakup ever? Me, as I did like this, people know say I know they deceive girl. I get they only deceive me. Everybody know that one. As I did like this, I was so I escort my girlfriend go in boyfriend house. Don't worry. I mean, I know they and my girlfriend get boyfriend and I know the boyfriend.
Anything can fucking happen.
Bro, now me they talk down my before. Anytime when the boys see me, they say, bro, suffer now. I say, where they go? Our girlfriend house. As I thought they go, I don't like people that buy pets. Because I know, we just buy one cat or one dog. You go to stay for your house. Go to chop free food. Go to talk free drink. Sleep for your house. Go outside. Go fuck. Boy, come. Carry belle. You self, you go there. Happy say you carry belle, come. You come dey feed down on top the belle. You dey happy say your dog get belle. Some guys go like be like dog, sha. I joke. That joke now for intelligent people. You say they don't really laugh. Now, you know they say you funny, you don't funny, you're that life for you. But to be very honest, before I leave here, ladies and gentlemen, love is a beautiful thing. If you are in love, congratulations to you. Congrats. But anytime I talk about love, they do like this. Well, you know, all of those people they follow you for TikTok, none of them they toast you. Nobody they toast you. You know fine with that, bro. She's too short. I know wahala. So ladies and gentlemen, please, if you know you are in love, it's a beautiful thing to be in love. Right? But I guess some people will say they don't do love for us. We know ourselves. You know yourself. Love not be for us, we know. Because I don't know why. I suffer. Oh my God. Mama Jamil, what the fuck? I suffer. Because Get the only thing, the worst breakup for this life, I may get tell you say, I need some space. It's not about you, it's about me. It's not about you, it's about what you turn like mistake what you go do for your life, not to convince her. Hey, I said the first day when this guy go break up, me to say, you know, I don't know. I feel we are supposed to be friends. We are supposed to be friends. Get mad though. Get go make you feel like say you don't get sense. You don't know. My ex-girlfriend rather. She offended me one time. I can't like say she offended me, like she offended me. I could tell her say, I've been calling you since morning, since yesterday rather. You've not been picking my calls. She said, how many missed calls? I said like 12 missed calls. She said, don't you know I'm busy? Eh? Don't you know when you call people and they don't pick, they are busy? I'm not later they beg. I'm sorry for calling you too much. Guess. You didn't say easy. But people will get serious relationship for this world, like you have a serious relationship, like Pastor Oji, you don't know how they pray for your kind love every day. You get married, straight, buy car, get pikin, boom. If they carry the pikin for TikTok, well, I know this simple. Well, since I don't know TWD, I never see gay with her before. These bros feel be gay. Now I know they go greet them for house. Wow, we get 360. What you doing? I saw your status yesterday. I was just, I was like, for real? For real? I don't want to talk with you happen to you, but then, I'm going to know 9 first for school now. And I go believe say the assistant general secretary of 9 first, they peep when they start the bath. I'm not going to believe. The whole AGS of church go they climb something where you go see free. If you tell her I want to see you, you go allow you enter. Simple. You know go allow enter. They know. Man, the guy they peep. Now my guy, now he give me update. But I be saying only how they cash, they don't cash me. Wow. Joke sweet though. If you don't pay for ticket. You see people when they pay for ticket, they don't laugh. I know they laugh. See old man now, you put it here. Oh boy, this life is sweet if you get money true. Like life is very sweet when you have money, trust me. And now you get money, you carry your babe, go anywhere you want. You just say, let's go out. See as Pastor Oji carry pikin. See as it's sweet, see the girl. Beautiful. We when you born us now, Oja. Oja. I mean if you know Oja. And now she be in a basket, they take out the baby come now, they put the baby inside manja, big manger. The baby come be level with Jesus. That joke, I don't feel understand. Now people wait get sense, they understand anyways. How you guys doing there? You get one auntie where they come that time, they come they sing for with that trumpet boy they sing for. The auntie be like Indian girl. Oh, na sas. We just ask Allah for me. Come on! Wow! So nice! Real stitches. Wow! I like your relationship be like masquerade. Oh, you cover nose, your babe cover. You don't see. You know what the funny me say? Wow. Because if I enter this place, I'll start the joke from beginning. Boss, Chama. I bet no enough for that place, boss. I bet no see here. Person here. Oh God. Boss, come here now. You get money pass everybody. Wait there. Sorry, now only me you get pass. Sit down here. Chief, how you doing? I like you. How you doing too? Baba, my birthday na Tuesday. And I just said, wait, make anybody no pressure me. No pressure me. Do you hear? I don't just pass my time. I can't do but that I beg. Don't be sad they beg for money like that. But if I see like 50 pay, I go send you my note. I know joke. All straight on my mentor. Everybody know. My account. We'll talk for DM. No talk. And so they always stop and see you in your DM. Your message don't go deliver. Boss, Shama, you deal with me, abi? You dey look me eyeball to eyeball like this. Oh, yeah, swear say you will give me the money. Money change. No, I don't want cash. Now transfer I want. You dey go dey kill you. You want collect. You want share money with Curtis. You dey cut. And they share your name. No rest. You be gonna be cut. Me and you. You get the agility. You are not born to be a president. You are born to be a Curtis. You don't see my boy. You want see me. You want come here. Come collect. Cause fila, but you wear fila now. Cause fila, but you wear fila now. I can't pay. Bros, your story. Anytime I hear your story, they sweet me. You come and show you scatter everywhere. Even me, we get yourself. I don't come funny. And you come funny. Mama, you did. Baba, so the people I know they laugh this morning now. I call Akure, mommy, go and send the justification. Why call Akure na the only one? She was me. Money change. I want to make that boy. Material bala we buy him and your baba. Mama, that. See mama, me oko. Come on, SWG, come on, dey be my shalada. Me oko. Irọ́ lu ẹ̀ pa ṣé báyìí. Oye mo bí lórí mi ṣe. Wọ́n ti gbogbo olùgbé nígbà. Kéṣọ́. Oya we should brother you be anybody wey wan give money make dey hear to you be we should see at that balance well e be like magic number.